said, by the way, I took a home off your baby because we have to give blood to another baby. And I'm like,
Kenzie.
oh, that's good. It reminded me I have med
Kenzie.
right now on that phone. So let me go find out.
Oh, you know what? I got one there. An extra,
The one back
yeah,
behind.
the back,
Yeah.
on the back shelf or something, or on the back shelf.
Yes. I totally forgot. I'm glad you said that. So, Stacy, I was just looking at the board for tomorrow. Have you seen it?
Bless you.